Divine Bliss. Okay, so today I am back with another mukbang, and so this was supposed to be like a seafood thing, but crawfish is too high right now. Like the season's about to go out, so I'm not paying $6 a pound for crawfish, y'all. Not happening. And besides, anyway, I only gonna want to eat Louisiana crawfish, so it's just what it is. But I do have some sweet corn, some potatoes, and a piece of smoked sausage. And I have this luxurious, hot, spicy turkey neck. When I tell y'all, this turkey neck is gonna be so hot, so hot. And I'm about to just do a little something to dip with. I normally don't, but since I don't have like no crawfish, I don't know, might as well. So let's get into the business. Oh, did y'all see that juice? Lord have mercy. Did y'all get into that? Y'all saw that juice? Oh me, oh my. Let's see what this tastes like. So this is Chipotle ranch. Anyway, how's everything going? Today, I did something so awesome, y'all. So I make jewelry, right? I create jewelry and things out of copper wire. And today, this beautiful sister she does the same thing. She's on a little different level than me. And I admire her work and everything. She held a class today, and she was expecting like a nice amount of people, but I was the only one that showed up. So that was dope because it was a private lesson, like, you know. But everything is always divine. Like, there's never no mistakes. So although it was just me, that's the way it was supposed to be. Just me. Just her and I. So basically it was a jewelry class / sister circle, because we got to talking and vibing and catching up and just, you know, everything. And it's so dope. She's about to leave out the country and travel, and I'm like, yo, that is just what's up. So yeah, so what I made, these copper bangles, can you see it? So now I know how to make copper bangles, and with wire work, working your way up to like the thicker gauges, that's the thing. So working with this gauge today showed me that, okay, you have elevated now to working with a little thicker gauge. Yeah, too bad I didn't have the crawfish, because I don't know where to pick from. Now get something real spicy. I'm gonna show you how to spice that. Be up in here. Whew. already starting to feel it. So yeah, so that was just really, that was exciting for me. Like, that was part of my self-care for the week. To start the week off right, you know? Got some spice right there. I don't know. Actually, it's not as spicy as I thought. But let me not speak too soon, though. You know? It's amazing how things be so good, so spicy. Almost to the point where you think you can't take it. But then you want some more. That's what my daughter is. Like, she'll eat this. And she cannot take spice, but she got it. She keep going back. Keep on going back. So, it felt just real good. Having just a, sister conversation and talking about so many different things. And watching somebody's journey. Because I've kind of watched her evolve over the years or whatever. A couple of years I've been knowing her. And just, like when she met me, I had locks. And just all the transformation. She was like, when you cut your locks? I'm like, last year. And it's like, time just, like, we're aware of time, but at the same time, time is just flying. So you see a person, but you're just not, you can't keep up. So, yeah, y'all. So, it's like the corn kind of balances out the heat because it's sweet. So, it's like when you like, then it's like, so it's like sweet and spicy, like. And I even put my hands. Fly out, little Colonel. Fly on out. They might be like, boy, she be hungry some I do though. Like for real, I legit be hungry some Like this is my first meal. I know. I think I had oatmeal way earlier this morning. And it's almost evening time. No, it's CG. I want my drink here. Oh, okay. Y'all. So, not that it's nasty. It's not nasty. It's just the sugar content is like whatever. So I got these things. And they're like, I feel like daiquiris, you know. And, woo. 42 grams of sugar. per pouch. Tastes like more than that, but so this one is a margarita one. And yeah, can't even hardly talk. So they say made with wine. I mean, I know the alcohol content 5%, so I already know it's, you know, it's weak. But sheesh, it could have balanced out the wine a little bit stronger than all that sugar. So I had these in my freezer for a long while. So I pulled it out thinking, well, instead of me just drinking water, that's been frozen. That'll help with like the heat or whatever. It's helping, all right. Sheesh. I won't buy them no more. Yeah, I probably don't clean my turkey neck like how people probably, you know, like, and they got meat all up in that thing. Look, y'all. To the best of my abilities, okay? The best of my abilities. Now people eat chicken or some stuff and they leave meat on the bone. Other folks be looking like, you don't know how to eat no damn chicken. Oh, man. I don't know. So, it's just what it is. Like right now, it's like, okay, well, whatever else want me to eat it, because it's getting to a point. It's sad because I really wish I would have had more. Did I eat crawfish this season? I think I did one time, like early in the season though. Man, this summer I just been really hella busy. But I wish I would have had more crawfish. Because now the season is almost over. And $6, baby, no. Can't do it. Won't be able to do it. So that goes crawfish season 2019. That's a wrap. So I didn't hardly eat no crawfish this season. I love watermelon. I had watermelon like I gotta buy mine from the street vendors. I get like 2 at a time. I had watermelon like twice. And that felt like back in like probably June. Dang. Like all my good eats. And then too, that's a margarita. This is a margarita. This is the hurricane one. I don't even know. Like maybe I should have had the other one, not that one. I don't know. Okay. I think the sugar probably the same. One time me and my friend, we went on the beach and we bought one of those and we didn't care for it. So I don't know why I bought them. I think because it was just cheap. I'm just assuming it was just because it was cheap. Must have been a sale or something. Corn rolling. It's always rolling. Like this stuff, get year round. You know, corn, potatoes, and turkey neck, and sausage. They have crab legs and all that. I'm not a big crabby person. Not a big crab person. I don't want to mess over this meat. Ooh. You know how when it start to hit the spot, it's not get real happy. I kind of like, it's like euphoria to me. I don't know. Like, you're not starving anymore. Anymore. And now you kind of just, you got enough food working in you. And now you can kind of just coast it on out. So yeah. So today was really nice. Really nice. And I love good vibes, y'all. Like, you just don't know. I live for the vibes, man. Like, so much be going on in the world that when I get to be in the midst of good people, pure people, authentic people who's doing their work and healing, and they come into knowledge of themselves, they know themselves to a certain point, and we can just get together and just bounce off each other, you know? Like, we both fill each other's cup instead of feeling depleted because you're talking to somebody who just draining you. Energetic vampires. So no, so it was just what I needed, you know. And I've been told her I would take a class from her, and I just been working like just been working like crazy. But divine timing always works. It was perfect timing. So yeah, very happy. Very happy indeed. And I learned some more wire techniques, you know. And I was introduced to some tools that I've never used before that I actually saw. Oh, okay, that's what that does and whatever. So now, and she put me on to where to get things from and everything. So, yeah. So, that's it, y'all. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe.